I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Well, it's been a couple of days, very cold days, since I've been out here in the shop. Didn't get a chance to be out here yesterday. And it's now 8:30 at night, so it's cold again. Doesn't matter because there's no windows in the shop and I got lights. But the temperature is down around 20 degrees or less. I'm going to take off this angle iron off the front here so I can drill it. But I'm going to take off the angle iron, then I'm going to remove the top off of the furnace so I can see down inside here where I'm going to put the holes through, just to make sure everything's going to fit. Okay, I got 6 screws to take out the top here. Let's see if I can pry these side shields up. Looks like they're just clipped in. Yeah, they're going to come up. They're not going to come up easy, but they're going to come up. Well, this method seems to be working. I clamped a piece of angle iron to the top of the sheet metal. I bet if I put some lube down in there, it'll come up easier. Oh yeah, that's taking care of it. That's going to work well. I'll be able to get in there and put a bolt in through here, clamp that down, and then draw this down all the way across, and that should pull this front plate in square. As long as I can pull this front plate in square and get it supported, I think I'll be good. Yep, looks like it's going to act up just the way I want it to. At least I hope. I'd hate to put all this work into this thing and have this not work. Wouldn't be the first time things like that happen. Now I got to take the electronics off the side of the box, firebox. Always fun. I got the air temperature controls for the firebox that runs a little fan in the back. So if I take this loose, the box down there at the bottom, let's see, I'll get this ladder up out of the way. That lower junction box is just hanging there on this piece of conduit. So if I pull the cover off of that, take the wires loose, and get the BX off of that, I should be able to go down the same way I did on the other side, open up this, and then clamp the angle iron on top of it, get it moving. I should be able to take it right out. We'll see. It doesn't want to play fair. That's the ash pit down there at the bottom. That little line, that little box that lays on the bottom of the firebox. The bottom of the firebox is heavier steel than the sides, the upper part of the firebox. So that's good. Looks like it's supported well. It's got heavy plate on both ends, sheet metal on the sides, and that's just an air box. It doesn't need to be anything structural.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.